Synthesis and characterization of silver nanoparticle using hydroxyl propyl alpha CD as an encapping agent. Introduction. Nanotechnology is being used in diverse areas like chemistry, biology, catalysis, medicine, photonics, electronics, biolabeling and information storage. So the nanoparticles are under active research because they possess interesting physical properties that is different from the bulk particles. Silver nanoparticles are interesting because of the unique property, because they can be incorporated into antimicrobial applications, biosensor materials, composite fibers, etc. High specific surface to volume ratio of silver nanoparticle increases their contact with microorganisms, promoting the dissolution of silver ions, thereby improving biocidal effectiveness. The ability of silver nanoparticle to release silver ions is key to their antibacterial activity. The nanoparticles are generally grouped into two. They are organic nanoparticles, which include carbon nanoparticles. Some of the inorganic nanoparticles include magnetic nanoparticles, noble nanometal nanoparticles, and semiconductor nanoparticle, example titanium oxide and zinc oxide. Application of hydroxyl propyl beta cyclotextrin and cyclotextrin have been found very promising in the design of nanoparticle. One of them is increasing the loading capacity of nanoparticles. Preparation of silver nanoparticle. Synthesis of free silver nanoparticles are achieved by reduction of the silver nitrate with alkali aqueous solution. First, silver nitrate with concentration of 10⁻³ molar is prepared from the stock solution of 10⁻⁻1 molar solution in double distilled water. So first, silver nitrate is stirred mechanically for 15 minutes. Then sodium hydroxide solution is added in ice cold condition, and then it is magnetically stirred continuously until the silver particle ions are reduced to silver metal nanoparticles. Similarly, synthesis of hydroxypropyl alpha CD of the concentration 5, 10 and 15 millimolar capped silver nanoparticles are prepared. Then all the silver nanoparticles are examined to various spectral analysis. First one, UV visible spectral analysis. The UV visible spectra were carried out with systronic double beam spectrophotometer, and XRD X-ray diffraction measurements were all carried out in Expert Pro X-ray diffractiometer. Antimicrobial analysis. The bacterial strains were maintained on nutrient agar. First, Muller-Hinton agar media was prepared and poured on Petri plates. The plates were swabbed with pathogenic bacteria culture, Staphylococcus aureus, Staphylococcus mutant, Pseudomonas aeruginosa and E. coli. The silver nanoparticles sample loaded disc was then placed on the surface of Muller-Hinton medium, and the plates were kept for incubation at 37 degrees Celsius for 24 hours. At the end of the incubation zones were examined around the disc and measured with a transparent ruler in millimeters. So the objectives of the research, to synthesize the nanoparticle, capping them with a different concentration of hydroxypropyl alpha CD, and comparison of the antimicrobial behavior of capped silver nanoparticle with those of the uncapped silver nanoparticle. Characterization of silver nanoparticle using UV visible spectroscopy and X-ray diffraction studies. UV visible spectroscopy studies. So in the UV visible spectrum, peak with the maximum of 410 nanometer indicating the presence of silver nanoparticle. So as the concentration also increases, the intensity of the line will also be increased. Then X-ray diffraction of uncapped silver nanoparticle, 5 millimolar, 10 millimolar and 50 millimolar alpha CD capped silver nanoparticle. The diagrams are present in the screen. A number of reflection corresponding to 111, 200 and 200 sets of lattice planes are observed, which may be indexed based on the cubic structure of the silver. So the average particle size is determined by using the device set formula D is equal to K lambda divided by B cos theta. Antibacterial activity analysis. The antibacterial activity of 3 different concentrations of hydroxypropyl alpha CD capped silver nanoparticle with 4 microorganisms such as Staphylococcus aureus, Staphylococcus mutant, Pseudomonas aeruginosa, and E. coli are studied. The zone of inhibition exhibited by the 4 microorganisms for hydroxypropyl alpha-CD capped silver nanoparticle could be arranged in the following order: Staphylococcus aureus greater than Staphylococcus mutant greater than Pseudomonas aeruginosa greater than E. coli. So the inhibition zone size against various organisms in the presence of uncapped and hydroxypropyl alpha-CD silver nanoparticles are clearly given in the table. So this is the picture. So from the conclusion, the UV visible spectra reveals the formation of silver nanoparticle by showing surface plasmon resonance around 400 nanometer. The study also showed the FCC lattice of the silver nanoparticle. There is a gradual increase in the antibacterial activity of hydroxypropyl alpha-CD capped silver nanoparticle compared with their uncapped equivalents.